I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and yes, we are back with another wig review. Today we will be reviewing the Outre melted hairline kamiyah wig in the color 613. Yes, y'all know I love Outre, so let's get into the specs with the wig. So it does have your soft HD transparent lace. It has a 5-inch deep parting space. Now with their melted hairline wigs, you cannot change the part on their wigs. How they come is how they come. It is completely pre-plucked around the hairline, and then it does come with sideburns. It does have that wide elastic band that y'all see there. It has the 3 combs, 2 on the top, 1 in the bottom, and then it does have those regular elastic bands that y'all see. It does come with natural baby hairs, and then I'm trying to see how many colors this wig comes in, because it does have your usual 6 specialty colors. And altogether it comes in 10 different colors. Now I don't know how long this wig is. I want to say this wig is about like 18 to 20 inches. But y'all just look at it. I know y'all can tell I've been on a blonde kick lately. I don't know what it is, but I've just been feeling blonde. It's the summertime. I'm here for it. You know they're saying blondes have more fun. And then as y'all can see here, I'm just sitting here cutting off the lace. Now I didn't struggle as much as I did with that last blonde wig y'all saw that I colored when I was cutting the hairline. But let's get into it. So I'm taking my Red by Kiss wig spray, and I go in with, I want to say it was 2 layers with this wig. Of course you're gonna blow dry it, and then we're gonna tack her down.
Get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for.
And if I didn't mention to y'all, I did go in and put a little bit of like my bronzer or contour powder on the inside of the lace, just so it'll blend it a little bit better with my skin tone. And as y'all know, I always take the end of a rat tail comb to help press that lace down into my skin with the blow dryer, so it can really look like it's coming out of my scalp. And your girl was starting to feel herself already, and we ain't even done with it. No more using that other elastic band. I actually went out and bought me some, y'all. So I'm just gonna take this elastic band, and then I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for 5 minutes, as I always do.
You wanna reach me? I can only mean one thing. You wanna reach me? Got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows, and I feel left out.
Y'all cannot tell me this blonde hair is not coming out of your girl's scalp. I look like Orlando Bloom's character from Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit. What was his name? Legolas. And then I look like, what was it Malfoy off of Harry Potter? His dad is what I look like. And then I was just taking a little bit of alcohol on a Q-tip just to get off any of that spray residue. But y'all, I didn't feel like I needed to go in and hot comb it to flatten it out. No, nothing. Y'all, I was in love with this wig. I do feel like the wig was big head friendly, because y'all know my hair is not in braids. It's in a puff, and it usually always works out. Y'all, I was feeling myself. If y'all love this video, make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below to join the ALB family. And until the next video, as always, I love y'all. Bye.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing.